Hey guys, welcome to Beast Ride DIY. This is Brian and I'm here in Harbor Freight for their giant liquidation sale that goes on through Sunday, July 28th. Now they're also liquidating their clearance items, so everyone's going to save 30% off the already tagged clearance items, and Inside Track Club members can get 40% off. And stay tuned till the end of this video because I'm going to summarize some of the extra deals I didn't include in the video. So this is Daytona's 6-ton jack stands for $59. This is going to be 25% off. So you get the two sets of jack stands with 1,200 pounds of support there. Now for $49, this is only 16% off, but this is the 10 by 10 foot canopy. It's a pop-up canopy, which is nice, so you don't have to use a lot of effort to get this up. It's 64 square feet. It's showing you the size there. This would be nice for like a beach or a picnic or something like that. Now for 12% off, this is $13.19. I think it was like $15. It's a 2-gallon home sprayer. So if you need to spray for pests or weeds, this would be a nice little sprayer if you walk around your house and using that. Now these were laminated throughout the store, which is pretty nice. I wish they had the actual brochures you could just pick up and walk around with, because they only had a few of these, so I couldn't just pick this up and walk around with it. It did show liquidation deals though, so you can see some of these ones here. I'm going to go through the store though and show them to you a little bit clearer. So this is the Badland 12,000 pound winch here with synthetic rope. It's $539. So it was $599, so $60 off, but it's definitely a nice, sturdy, heavy-duty winch. And keep in mind, I think they're having a parking lot sale as well in August, so stay tuned. And this is a 48-inch farm jack for $82. I think this is like 13% off. And with these liquidation deals, the percent off is not like a round number like 10, 20, 50. It's just kind of random, but next up is this Pittsburgh 301-piece mechanics tool set for $169. This is $30 off. It was $199. So this is all what it comes with here. Of course, you get the carrying case, 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, and 1/2 inch drive SAE and metric. And this is what that looks like. And next up, these are the Hercules deals. And I've talked to these before. This is a get a tool free when you buy the battery and charger starter kit for $99. But they've added these new items. It's the 20-volt compact heat gun and the job site blower. So you can get those too if you want. Now this is what it looks like. This is the 4-amp charger. And then you have the battery here, the 20-volt battery right next to it. So you'd buy that. That would be $99. And it looks like they restocked on a lot of their different tools. So next up, this is a bench brush for 99 cents. This is 60% off. So the bristles they're not like metal bristles, they're softer bristles. And this is the detail brush set here, $199. They have steel, brass, and nylon threads for that. And this is that Predator inverter generator here for $11.49. Was $11.99, $50 off. Again, these deals aren't super crazy. They're not Black Friday deals. They're not Christmas. They're not Spring Black Friday, but they're just kind of deals to, I guess, liquidation deals to get in new inventory. So this is a nice generator here. And for $59, you're getting this 1/10 horsepower transfer pump. This is 7% off. Again, not the craziest deal, but I've got some better ones coming up here in the store. For $59, this is their modular rolling toolbox. This is 14% off. And there was one down below. It was a very large toolbox with wheels. I should have got that in the picture. But for $10.99, this is the 8-bin storage case. Now these bins are quite large, at least the ones on the sides. You can use this for fishing or just hardware like they show it in the picture, different screws, nails. Now for $329, was $399, so $70 off. This is the semi-trash water pump. And this is what this looks like in person here. Has a nice cage. $149, standard utility knife, in case you need to pick an extra one up. Maybe your other one's beat up to where it's not putting out the blade, who knows. Now for $7.99, this is 20% off. This is the 25-foot indoor-outdoor extension cord. And right above it, here's that 30-foot retractable cord reel for $29. That's 25% off. So 30 feet as far as what it can hold as far as the retractable cord. For $5.29, you're going to get some electrical tape. This is 60 feet of electrical tape here. So I think you'll be set. for quite a while. This is 24% off. It was $6.99, I believe that says. Now, next up here, we have the 1649 Pittsburgh 22-piece combination wrench set. So this is SAE and metric. You've got them lined up. It looks like 11 on each side, and this is 17% off. Again, another weird kind of number percentage-wise there. For $149, this is $20 off. This is the 3-in-1 hand truck, and this is pretty sturdy here. So it's saying you can use 800 pounds in the upright or slanted type position, and then when you're using all four wheels, like you're using it like an actual truck, it can hold up to 1,000 pounds. So definitely a heavy duty one, a little bit off there. For $99, you're getting the solar panel. I think that said 20 or 30 bucks off, 100-watt solar panel. And this is a high efficiency solar panel for small devices. Say you have a tablet or a phone or just something small you want to power up. Say you're camping or you have an RV or something like that. And this is a first alert fire safe for $149, $20 off. It's fireproof, of course, waterproof, and has a 5-year warranty. We've had ours, well, we have a different one, but we keep them a lot longer than 5 years. But now for $2.99, this is interesting. This is a magnetic key holder. So in the picture, they're putting it in the wheel well here. I'm not sure I would trust that, but it's a neat idea. I'm assuming you have to maybe use a fingerprint or something like that to get into it. Otherwise, it might be a little strange. For $11.99, this is the Click-Type torque wrench from Pittsburgh. I guess they're competing with Snap-on, or just let me know what you think as far as this versus Snap-on in the comments. So, of course, it has the reversible setting here. And then for $11 as well, this is 45% off. They have the half-inch drive, and this is what that looks like. Reversible Click-Type torque wrench, again, from Pittsburgh. Now from Warrior, this is the 1500-watt dual-temp heat gun. Now this is half off, and I'll show you what it looks like outside of the box and just coming up in just a little bit. But this is corded, of course. Now for $249, it's $50 off, is this Stick 225 inverter welder with holder. And this is what it looks like outside the box here. It's got the nice handle on top, so you can move it where you need to. And then right under it here, for $179, it's only 20 bucks off, but it's something, is a 170-watt, 240-volt MIG flux welder here. 270 amp max output, I'm sorry. Now for $199 is this 3-ton Pro Long Reach Profile floor jack. So they've had these for forever in Harbor Freight, really, but you can get a decent deal here. Now for $189, you can get the 3,600-pound pinch weld wheel dolly. It's a 2-piece set, so that's pretty nice here. And this is what it looks like, so if you need to move your car around for $189. This is the Bauer deal again. You get the free tool when you buy the charger and battery. Now they did add some new tools. It looks like they had the impact wrench, orbital sander, ratchet, and the variable speed multi-tool. And here's the charger. And I'm not sure if these are the batteries. This is a 2-pack. I think you just need to get one battery, but you can ask the person at the front desk. For $109, this is the 4-ton heavy-duty hydraulic body repair kit from Pittsburgh. Of course, it comes with the case here in the picture, and then you're getting all these items, including the pump, ram, extension tubes, wedge head, all this here. Then for $11.99, this is the sawhorse here. It's a 350-pound capacity folding sawhorse, so just a standard sawhorse there. And next we have these ladders for $119. You've got the 17-foot max reach multi-ladder here. Now this is from Franklin, then right next to it is for $49. That's 10% off, and that's a 40-inch smaller type extension. Now this is for $44. It's a 20-ton low-profile hydraulic bottle jack. It's 25% off here, and saving $57 on the name brand. So this is a vacuum pump for $79. That's 20 bucks off. Now Predator has this for $329. It's a 2650 PSI gas pressure washer, and it comes with a nice long power cord. And you're getting everything you need here basically with this. So coming down the aisle a little bit, these are some of the garden tools. For $10.99, this is the garden tool set. It's a 3-piece set where you get the 2 small spades and the small little rake here. Oh, came off the rack there. And then right above it here is the different spade item here. This is going to be $10.99, 26% off. That's kind of random, but this is the long spade. And again, keep an eye out for those clearance items. You're going to save an extra 30% off those, 40% off if you're in the Inside Track Club deals. So they must be trying to get rid of all those clearance items. Now for $169, it's going to be $20 off, is this disc sander here. Now this is from Bauer. They're grading it as one of their better tools. So this is for $8.99. These are the Hardy Mechanics gloves, and you can see on the back there, they have the protection, and then on the fingertips, you have some mesh there where you can use your phone with it apparently as well. For $9.99, this is that Warrior heat gun out of the packing. I'm thinking this one has been displayed in a window somewhere because look at that little tag. It used to be orange, I'm guessing. Next up for $74, this is 16% off. This is their disc sander. It's a 4x36-inch disc sander from Bauer. I kind of think it'd be cool if Harbor Freight did like a deal on floor items as well, or items outside the box. So for $149, this is their bandsaw here from Hercules. That's kind of a backup shot of what that looks like. Now these are some of the deals that I may have missed or didn't talk about too much here. So this is a 20-volt brushless, cordless, high-torque impact wrench for $149. They've got a few different blades, $10 and $20 off on each blade. That's that belt sander. For $79, this is the 20-volt cordless 18-gauge brad nailer. It is the tool only, though. Now, turning it over, they have different items on the back here, which is nice. This is the 40-pound capacity blast cabinet for $199. They've got some safety glasses, a spring clamp for 99 cents. If you need to hold together some items you're trying to glue, maybe. An 18-inch telescoping magnet for $2. So my takeaways, or the deals aren't too terribly great here, but things to keep an eye out for are clearance deals. You're going to get 30 to 40% off, depending if you're on the Inside Track Club or not. And I've been seeing up to 40 and 50% off with these liquidation sales. So it just depends what you want. Go ahead and check out this next video. This is a 4-plane laser level, and it is pretty cool. And you'll see why you may need the 4th plane. So go ahead and check that out.